Today's video. Today we will learn how we can use the order by keyword in SQL. Okay, we use the order by keyword in order to sort the result in ascending or descending order. By default, when you use the order by, the result are sorting in ascending order. For example, let's say if we want to select everything from the product table, this is the product table, but we want to order them by the price. We can say select, okay, select star, okay, from products, okay, order by, and we will order by price. Let's order by price. Before we do that, let me show you something. Let me describe the product table, okay? Describe products. In the product table, we have these fields. We have product ID, product name, supply ID, category, unit, and price. Okay, now uh, we will select everything from the product table, and then we will order them by the price. When we order them by the price, by default, everything will be ordered in ascending order. Let's say select a star from products, okay, from products order by price, right? Let's see what will be the result. A lot of data right here. Okay, we got a lot of data. So let me show you the price. This is the price. By default, everything will be ordered in ascending order from the lowest one to the highest one. You see, we get all the results from the product table, and then we have the price 250, 450, and as you can see, we got from the lowest one, okay, and then we go to the highest one. Let me show you right here at the end. We see this is the highest price in the customer in the product table. This is how you can use the order by, but also we can order in descending order from the highest one to the lowest one. In that case, we really need to use the descending keyword. Let's say we say select, okay, star from products, okay, from products, and then we say order by price, and we say descending order. When if we don't put that, okay, if we don't put the descending keyword, this is the keyword we use. If we don't put that, it will be ordered in ascending order. In order to sort the result in descending order, we need to pass the descending keyword. This is it. Okay, let's see what will be the result now. Now you see it will be ordered in descending order from the highest one to the lowest one. Okay, this is the lowest price as you have been seeing in the previous result. So in that case, I hope you have learned a lot of things, and I hope this video was useful. And then we will have another video regarding like how to order alphabetically, but this will be for another video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.